Begin your gardening journey with only 8 steps. Step 1. Choose the best location to start your garden. The best spot is where it is convenient for you, someplace you will see and walk by often. The back of the yard behind the shed may get the most sun, but if you don't see your garden regularly, you might forget about it. Ideally, this spot gets morning sun. Look for a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sun. You might need to provide shade in the summer in hot areas. Check sun exposure using an app. It allows you to see the amount of sunlight each area receives. There should also be a water source nearby or within a hose distance. Step 2. Add a raised bed. Start small. You can always add more. A 4-foot by 8-foot raised bed is a good starting point. Aim for a depth between 12 and 18 inches. It is easy to construct, and you can grow a lot of food in this size space. It is important that you can reach into the center of the bed without stepping on the soil. Add more raised beds later as your ability and experience grow. Step 3. Set up a watering system. An automatic watering system and a hose for watering seedlings is best. Automatic watering can be simple, such as a battery-operated timer connected to your hose bib, with either a soaker hose or drip line going to the garden. Using a two-way splitter for a second hose is helpful for hand watering new plantings and seeds. Step 4. Add soil to your raised bed. One advantage of raised beds is you do not use existing soil. Once you add the perfect mix of ingredients to your raised bed, you are ready to plant. This one-time cost will probably be the most expensive part of beginning a garden. To fill the bed, mix equal parts of compost. Use several different brands or make your own. Peat moss or coconut coir makes soil lighter, helps with water retention. Vermiculite helps retain water and allows the soil to breathe. The volume of your raised bed or containers determines how much soil you will need. A 4x4 bed that is 1 foot deep will require a total of 16 cubic feet of soil. Each time you plant, add fresh compost to your soil. After adding the soil, amend the beds with organic fertilizer. In the future, it's important to have your soil tested each year. A soil test can determine the health of your soil. Step 5. Find a planting guide written for your area and follow it. Timing is crucial in gardening. Using a planting guide takes the guesswork out of what to plant and when to plant it. Local extension offices and locally owned nurseries are a great place to begin your search for a planting guide. Visual planting guides for vegetables, herbs, fruits, flowers, and vines. Step 6. Plant what you like to eat. Read about the vegetables you would like to grow, so you understand growing requirements, when to plant, and when to harvest. Best from seed. Root crops, carrots, turnips, radishes, etc., peas, beans, corn, squash, melons, cucumbers, Swiss chard. Best from seedlings. Peppers, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts. Successful either way. Broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, lettuce, kale, spinach. Check new seeds and seedlings often. Water as necessary to keep the soil moist. If newly planted seeds and seedlings dry out, they will die. Step 7. Spend time in your garden each day. Take a walk around your garden each morning, preferably while the watering system is running. Take note of what is growing well, and observe problems while they are young and easily corrected. When you catch problems, pest, disease, watering issues, while they are small, they are easily managed. Find joy in the successes and learn from the failures. Step 8. Harvest and eat what you grow. Pick young and pick often. This encourages more production. Use the food you grow in the garden. Try new recipes and incorporate your garden harvest into your family's food. Soups and smoothies are a great way to use vegetables from the garden. If you want to learn more about gardening or start your self-sufficient garden, now click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.